Are you eating a Cheerio? What's wrong? I just want to film you eating a Cheerio. Because you make a funny face with your Cheerios. Aw, thank you. You can have it. Oh, can I have it? Thank you. Mama, eat this one. You eat that one. Okay, you want another one? Hi. I know, that's good. There's a couple more Cheerios for you. What is that? That's why I'm filming this, because I don't know what that new face is. You eat it. I don't need it. You eat it. Okay, thank you. Okay, there you go. Okay, thank you. There you go. Is it hurting your teeth? Is that the thing? Here you go. Thank you. Hi. We've eaten lots of Cheerios over the last couple months, but all of a sudden now you're making this crazy face, and I don't know what it is. Don't feed the dogs. No. Okay, say bye-bye. Nash. That's a no-no.